Hello, this is Mr. Kinyanola, and I'm going to help you find W, X, Y, and Z. Alright, so this is one problem where you have to find 4 answers. So don't be disheartened just because you saw one circle and you're like, okay, I just have to do one thing, but then you suddenly figure out, oh no, I have to find 4 things. So it's not too bad. Let me help you guys visualize what you need to do. So in order to help you visualize, get a highlighter and let's figure out, so let's do these one at a time. Let's figure out what W is. So here's W. Angle W, its vertex is on the circle, so this is an inscribed angle. And remember, inscribed angles are half the measure of the arc that it's eating. So this angle is eating this entire arc right here, this 51 and 79. So what we're going to do is take our calculator and find the sum of 51 and 79, which is 130 degrees. That means this entire arc is 130 degrees. And since it's an inscribed angles are half, so we're going to divide this by 2. And W equals 65 degrees. Let's just write it in here. 65 degrees. Next thing, let's figure out what X is. Let's get another colored highlighter. So X looks like is also an inscribed angle. And let's do that. And X is eating this arc right here. So from this neon all the way to this neon. So let's just add 51 plus 81. Okay, so this entire arc is 132 degrees. And this is an inscribed angle, so let's just divide it by 2, which is 66 degrees. So X equals 66 degrees. What do we need to find next? Y. Let's get another color. This isn't a highlighter, it's just a regular old pen, but it'll still work. So Y is this angle right here. So there's the green all the way to here, okay? And it's also an inscribed angle, so it's from this arc, and it's eating this arc, starting here, all the way to over here. But something's missing. We don't have the measure of this arc right here. But it's okay, we have the measure of all the other arcs, and we know that all of these arcs put together make up a circle. Circles are 360 degrees, so we can figure out this arc right here fairly quickly. So if we know how to type, let's just type in 79 plus 51 plus 81. And those are the 3 arcs right there put together, 211. And we know that all of these arcs together make up 360 degrees, so we're going to take 360 and subtract 211 from it, and that would give us 149 degrees. So this arc is 149 degrees. Now we have everything to help us figure out what Y is. So let's go back. This Y is an inscribed angle, and its intercepted arc starts from here and goes all the way to here, or starts from here and goes all the way to here. Either way, we're going to take the 81 and add the 149 to it. Make sure you put a 9 and not a 4. And because it's an inscribed angle, divided by 2, it's 115 degrees. And then Z, there's 2 ways to do this. Let's just keep on going with the inscribed angle. So do I have another color? No. So let's just use I don't know. Let's use 2 colors in one. So the green and the red put together. So Z is this right here to all the way here. So Z, so it's angle, it's an inscribed angle. It goes from here, which is 79 degrees, and then goes another 149 degrees. So let's take that 79, add the 149 to it, and because it's inscribed, it's half, so let's divide it by 2, which is 114 degrees. And there you go. There are the 4 angles, but let's make sure that this is correct, because this shape right here is a quadrilateral. And if you guys remember the quadrilateral sum theorem, all four angles should add up to 360. So let's type these in. So 65 plus 66 plus 115 plus 114. Let's keep our fingers crossed and let's press enter. Look at that, 360 degrees. So we weren't just doing any random things. All these connect. Quadrilateral, 360. Circle, 360. Inscribed angle, half of the measure of its intercepted arcs, and it all works out for correctness. So hopefully this helps you guys. So that's it. Have a great day.